Excellency, two significant things happened today that if you're not from our land, you probably won't appreciate it. Your Excellency, when you stepped your foot on this field where we have the event, my people shot 21 cannons for you. It's a mark or a significance of heralding the arrival of a most wonderful hero. And that's what they take you as. Your Excellency, something else was significant. The Ebukele that performed, there were so many groups, we said just let one perform. Ebukele comes out only once in 10 or 15 years. When it comes out during the celebration of a great man. And the Akabuka people have rolled out Ebukele to you today, Your Excellency, to let you know how much they value you, to let you know how much they appreciate you. Your Excellency, I will use this opportunity to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Tinubu, for the peace and harmony we enjoy in Port Harcourt, in Rivers State again, because of his lifting of the emergency rule in Rivers State. We say thank you, Mr. President. I also want to put it on record, I want to appreciate the former governor of Rivers State and the present Honorable Minister of FCTA, Barrister Ezenwo, His Excellency, Sir Barrister Ezenwo, for his role he played in my nomination as the Deputy Governor of this state, and for ensuring the emergence of my boss, our governor, our people's governor, and myself as the governor and deputy of this great state. I want to say thank you, sir. I want to thank all those who added their voice to that my nomination when he asked, and one of them is Sir Dr. Peter Odili. When he was asked, he said he had confidence in me. He said he knew I would perform. I want to tell us that on record, that during Sir Peter Odili's governance, he gave me the platform to serve the state as permanent secretary. In his first tenure, in his second tenure, he gave me the opportunity to serve as a commissioner. And now he also lent a voice to me being a deputy governor. I say thank you very much, Your Excellency, Sir Dr. Peter Odili. I want to also recognize other people that also lent their voices. I want to thank Bro Felix Obua. When he was asked, he nodded positively. I want to thank Ambassador, His Excellency Ambassador Akawo, Desmond Akawo. I want to thank His High Chief Fedi Alabraba. They all nodded in affirmation, and others who I cannot mention their names now. This is an opportunity I have to say thank you. And I'm saying it to the hearing of everybody of the whole world. Thank you all for having confidence in me. I want to thank my governor, my boss, the people's governor, the icon of peace, a man of grace, a man of distinction, a man who talks less and acts more, a man who says yes and is yes, a man who says what he does and does what he says. I want to tell you people that before my nomination, Our Excellency, our governor, he didn't know much about me apart from seeing me on TV. But he did something. He had had an encounter with my husband when he was much younger, and my husband, an ENT consultant. And they developed, well, like father and son, patient-client relationship. And he admired my husband very much. So when my name was called and he was asked, he gladly said, I know her husband. I don't know her. But I believe her husband is a good man. I believe she will be a good lady. And he said, yes, he would work with me. And with that nodding by my governor, I promised that I will be a subordinate deputy. I will be respectful. I will reverence him. And I will stand by him no matter what. And all of you can attest to that I stood by him through thick and thin. Your Excellency, sir, I thank you for the confidence you have in me. Your Excellency, I thank you for the respect you accord me at all times. I don't take it for granted. I say I'm grateful, sir. And thank you for carrying all of us along. We say thank you, sir. Sir, I'm glad that a day like this, God has made it possible. You know, sometimes it can be heartbreaking when people mock you and when people laugh at you. Some people were laughing, some people from Akabuka, that you people said, Deputy Governor is your sister. 2 years has passed. She has brought nothing to Akabuka. Sir, the Bible says God uses the weak to confirm the strong. God uses the weak to confirm the poor, and the poor to confirm the rich. And I saw that a woman of faith, I knew that a day like this will come, when my governor will come and speak to my people. I therefore know that things will never be the same in Akabuka.
Say Fubara, ay, ay, oh, ay, ay, oh, ay, ay.
Your Excellency, we are in the secondary school that is the oldest secondary school in Egi. This secondary school was last renovated 20 years ago when Sir Dr. Peter Odili was the governor of Rivers State, and I had the opportunity of serving as the Honorable Commissioner of Education. Since then, this school has deteriorated so badly without getting an attention. So, Your Excellency, it was raining. The principals, junior and senior, had to leave their rooms because water was pouring down. And some of the classrooms were in bad shape. Some people went to the social media and said, well, good for you people. Your daughter is the deputy governor. Look at the shame of the school you have in your community. Your Excellency, I was pained in my heart, and you know I never mentioned it to you because I don't like nagging, because I know that God orders your steps, and I know that God will order your step to this place. So you can see what people were mocking me about. I was patient, sir. You can tell I'm a very patient person, because I know that you will bless my people. So, Your Excellency, I'm here to appreciate you and to appreciate all those who have gone from near and far and near to be here. So I want to tell you that the Central Planning Committee, they are all from Akabuka. So you will not believe that they put up this within 3 weeks. I thought they were joking, sir. And Akabuka community has never, ever, ever been so united. Every family is represented in the committee. Everybody came with all their hearts. So you won't believe the committee cut across party lines. Some people are in LP, some are in ADP, some are in everything. They didn't care about the party. All they cared was that they were receiving their daughter. Sir, and they worked day and night. They raised every single penny that was spent today. Some of them work for oil companies. They were calling for meetings on Zoom just to make sure everything worked out tidily. So if there are things that went wrong, just know that it's because they are not used to our political movements. They are just people that love their sister, their daughter and daughter-in-law. They're just people. I shed tears when I know how much they raised just to make sure this thing went so well. Central Committee Chairman, Dr. Sonia Ogide, and your team, I want to say thank you so very much indeed. Sabe, do you know one thing that is significant? Even people that married their daughters contributed to the purse. People that married Akabuka daughters said they will not be left out. So even people in diaspora wired across dollars and pounds to be part of this. That is how much your visit, my visit, has united our people. Father, you can see that some people think I don't have grassroots capacity. I know I have.
Now our deputy be this, so we don't get another one. Now our mama be this, so.
Because by nature, I love people and people love me back. By nature, I don't know how God has wired me. My body attracts people. And that is what you're seeing today. Beyond the Kaboka, people love me in the whole Egi. People love me in the whole Onelga, in the whole River State. It can be attested at any time. But I don't make noise about it. But that is the truth, sir. Let me say it today. Let me blow my own trumpet today. Yeah, Your Excellency, I don't want to keep you. I know you had other things doing. I can't take you for granted. I knew you had something very important today, but you dropped it. You said you cannot ignore your deputy to go for something else. My heart was limping for joy when I heard you say that yesterday evening. I know that Ohaneze, Senator Azuntambata, was billed for a meeting in Abuja where he remembered that it's today that is my day. He canceled that to be here and many other people. I want to say I appreciate all of you. I want to thank our sister Ann Kyo Briggs, and every other person that is here that have come. I want to thank our Egi leader, Chief Barrister Ori Sonyeri, and his wife, who had to, by extension, keep checking how their Kaboka people were faring. I thank all of you. I thank all of you. I have to make sure that I hold back my tears of joy because I don't want social media to see my tears. I want them to see my smiles. That's what they are used to. I thank all of you so very much. I want to ask you for one thing. This togetherness that you have demonstrated today, this love that you have shown me today, this coming together under one roof because of me, please, 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 please keep it up. Together, the bar will be raised. Together, we'll enjoy the glory of God in this government. So, may God bless all of us. I thank you, and may you all go in peace. Thank you, and God bless us all.